This is definitely my top pick without a doubt, in my opinion. But yeah, no, I just wouldn't. Not even in your opinion, no. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have a Cupshe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today's video I'm going to be doing a little try on haul for dresses, like spring, summer, whether you have a wedding to go to, whether you have a baby shower, or it's your wedding and you're going on your honeymoon. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So huge shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on this video. You guys know I absolutely love their stuff. If you, like me, didn't know that you could get so many other things on Cupshe besides just bathing suits. I love their bathing suits. They're some of my favorites. They're what my collection is mostly made out of. But they just newly released these dresses and I'm obsessed. So I want to go through some sizing information, how it fits on me, some details, and which ones are my favorite in case you have a special event going on in the next couple months. I definitely think you should check out Cupshe. So again, don't forget to use code KF15 to save 15% off of your order of $65 or more. And let's get into this try on. Okay, this first dress is my absolute favorite. I didn't realize how much I liked pink until recently, and now it's like my favorite color. What I love about this is it's not like a bright in-your-face pink. It's kind of a muted mauve with brighter pink like roses on it. This is stunning. I love everything about this dress. Let me go through the details. First of all, completely customizable in terms of the length you need and the support you need with these little ribbon ties. I sucker for ribbon ties, so this is my first favorite thing about it, is that it's adjustable, but I also just love the cute bow detail. This would be perfect for a girl's baby shower, a wedding. I would wear this to a wedding for sure, but you could also wear this to a nice date night as well. I love the ruching detail that it has right here at the cups. I feel like this is enough space for me to put, you know, the girls, and I don't have to wear a bra with this. I feel like it gives enough support and pull up the spot that hits underneath your chest. I feel like your rib cage really kind of holds you in and feels just secure. I don't know, I absolutely love this, but I do think you could wear a bra because of the straps are thick enough if you really feel like you need the extra support. And I'm a bra girl, so the fact that I don't feel like I would need one with this, I think says a lot. This fits so true to size. It's like perfect. So I love that. It has this like chiffon lace or like layover, and it is lined with like a pink underneath. So you have just a solid bodice to break up the, or a solid rib cage detailing here, and then it goes down into the skirt. There is a little bit of ruching here, which is so nice and forgiving. It's got like a bungee to it. Love that. Nice slit, not too high, not too modest. I love everything about this dress. With a nude pair of heels, you're good to go. It's so cute. It has a zipper to get in and out of on the side, and it does have the ruching in the back. This like bungee right here, which helps you just make sure that you have the perfect size. So I would say so true to size with this. This is definitely my top pick without a doubt. Okay, this next style dress is such a classic dress style. I feel like you could wear this to the wedding, or you could wear this as like a bridesmaid if you're looking for a really affordable bridesmaid's dress. I think this would be amazing. I love the square neckline. I would say with this, I would have sized down to an extra small. I'm typically a true small. I'll have my generic measurements like my height, waist and weight, whatever, all that stuff down below. But I would say generally I'm a small, and this I should have gone down. I have a lot of room in the waist and as well as in the chest area. So it doesn't fit me quite as well as I would have liked just because of the sizing. So if you're thinking about getting this dress, it's stunning. I love the material. It's like a thick material that doesn't show like everything. But just keep in mind, I would size down. So I love this. I love the color, the square neckline. There is a zipper to get in and out. You could totally wear a bra with this because it has those thick straps and you would be completely concealed in it. Same like back detail with the square, but it's a little bit lower, which is really pretty. And just the shape of this dress, I feel like is really flattering. I feel like it would look flattering on a lot of different people. And obviously I love the blue. So it's got a slit, but it's nothing too crazy. That's why I think it would be a really cute bridesmaid's dress if you're trying to do just a very simple backyard sort of wedding, or just a budget-friendly wedding for your bridesmaids. I think people don't talk about how much it costs to be a bridesmaid in weddings nowadays. They're all nuts. So I think this would be a beautiful option, and you can get it shipped right to their house, but I would size down at least one size. Okay, This, when I pulled this out of the packaging, I was like, yes. Well, when I saw it on the website, I was like, yes. But when I got it, I was like, yes, yes. I love, again, the tie details, my favorite. The bodice right here, so cute. I love the riffle details up here. And it does have little cups for your chest, you know. It has a zipper to get in and out of. In the back, I will say this fits just a tiny bit tight in my thigh region. I just have thicker thighs. It's just how I'm built, where I store my cookies, you know? And so I feel like I could have gone up to a medium. But if you don't feel like you have thicker thighs, then you probably could go true to size. Everything else on this is perfection. The length, perfection with heels. I love this. Is like a satin. It's obviously not see-through at all. It's not double lined, so it's lightweight, good for like a spring, summer. I kind of love the idea of like a pant, like romper thing like this for a wedding. I think it's so cute and just different, and I love the floral details on it. I feel like that makes it really spring, but I love that it's on a navy backdrop because it just feels more subtle and feels like less, I don't know, in your face. I love this. It's a very satiny, silky material. The length, like I said, is perfection. I would just say for my thighs, it was like pulling a little bit more than I would have wanted. So if you're thinking about this and you feel like you have thicker thighs, I would size up one size, but this is stunning. And I do feel like something like this would look cute looser as well. It doesn't look bad tight, but I do think it would look a little bit like, I don't know, a little bit more elevated if it was a little bit looser. So I would say size up in this, but this is my second favorite. My second favorite? Yeah, my second favorite. It's so cute and so different and something that I just like wouldn't normally pick. But if you're doing like an outdoor spring wedding, this is everything. Okay, another dress that would be perfect for bridesmaids. This is really cute. If you have a large chest and you find it hard to fit into like the cup pads that I showed you previously, this dress is for you. It's got this deep V. It's like a full chiffon material. I will say this is, it's not sheer, because it is double lined, but if you're like really concerned, I would wear nippies with this guy. The deep V goes in the front as well as in the back. There's a zipper to get in and out of. I love this ruche detailing here that kind of just brings attention here. And like I said, I have some room in the coconuts, so if you have a small chest, I would definitely size down. But you could also take these in if you felt like you needed to adjust them. Sometimes you have to realize that like dresses aren't just like a one size fits all. It's completely okay and completely normal to adjust, alter, get things to fit you the right way. If you fall in love with the dress, it's not just expected to fit you perfectly. And let's stop thinking that there's something wrong with our bodies and start seeing that you can't possibly have a one size fits all. So you can always alter and change things if you need to, but this dress is gorgeous. So I love the color blue. It is double lined in the bottom though, and it has a nice modest slip. Again, would be a beautiful dress for bridesmaids. I think this shape would look flattering on literally everyone, because if your concern is your bottom area, you have lots of room and flowiness. And then if your concern is your top area, you got room for those, girl. Don't even worry. I think this would look stunning on anyone. And again, a perfect, like, beautiful wedding guest dress as well. Or if you have a real fancy baby shower, that could go. Especially if you're expecting a little boy. All right, so these next two dresses I wouldn't necessarily recommend for a wedding because they're white. One is based with white, and then the other one is completely white and not wedding appropriate, in my opinion. But yeah, no, I just wouldn't. Not even in your opinion, no. Okay, this first one would be like perfection for a baby shower. I wish I had a little boy's baby shower to go to because this is what I would wear. This is my third favorite for sure. I love, again, got the ties. I just feel like this just screams feminine. It screams, obviously adjustable. Love that. And it's just feminine and flirty and springy in my opinion. It's got the ruffles at the top, which I love, and the bodice cups as well. Ruching in the back with the zipper to get it on. This is a full line, so it's fully lined. This is full length. It's got a flirty skirt at the bottom. No slit in this. It's a complete, just stunning dress. I feel like this is so classy, such a classic dress to have in your collection. I love the blue and tan details on this. Again, for a baby shower would be stunning. If you have a vacation coming up, I mean, you could wear it anywhere, but I would not wear this to a wedding because it is mostly white. But if you are the bride and you want something like this, this would be stunning for like if you have a bridal shower or something like that. This would be cute as well. But I think a baby shower, yes, everything. Okay, now if you are a bride and you are going on a honeymoon this spring, summer, you need this. It's so cute. Okay, can we see a trend that I love? Ties, shoulders, I mean, I don't care. This fits, oh, by the way, that blue and white dress, perfect, fits true to size, would recommend staying your true size. This guy, again, true to size, it's got the detailing of the strings, and then it's got these little aglets at the bottom, which I think are cute. And it has this sort of like polka dotted raised texture on the dress. I love. Deep V with a bow tie, and again, to match the straps. This is actually a romper and not a dress, which I love. Super quick and super easy, especially because it's so short. I would feel comfortable wearing this because it has shorts underneath. It's got the tie in the back to kind of like hold you in and draw you in. This is so cute, especially if you're a bride. Even if you're not a bride though, and you're going on like a fun vacation or something like that, I think this would be so cute. I love the white with a tan, yes. And yes, everything about this is cute, fits so true to size, and it has the concealed zipper in the back. But if you are in between sizes, I would size up, only because this has zero bit of like ruching or stretch to it. So again, so cute, not sheer because it is double lined. And I love it. All right, you guys, so that is it. That is my recent Cupshe order. If you are looking for a dress for a special event, whether that be a baby shower, a wedding you're attending, or if you are a bride yourself and are going on a honeymoon, I definitely recommend checking out Cupshe for some amazing quality, affordable items. Again, don't forget to use code KF15 to save 15% off your order of $65 or more. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.